Ever wish debugging felt less like detective work and more like autopilot? Let's flip that switch. First, get set up. Open your terminal and run npm install g at Anthropic AI/Claude code. That's your golden ticket. Next, hop into your project folder and type Claude to launch the agent. Now, bring in the muscle. Use /install at model context protocol/server file system to hook up your directories. Need databases? Edit Claude_desktop_config.json to add the right MCP server. Think of it like giving Claude Code a magic door into your project's world. Spotted a bug? Just ask. Hey Claude, can you connect to Superbase MCP and grab the latest user data? Claude fetches the info, analyzes your code, and even suggests smart fixes. Want more? Install extra MCP servers for things like Playwright or documentation, so Claude Code gets smarter as you go. Before you fix, have Claude map out the plan, review the changes, then let it roll. That's it, bug fixing with a serious upgrade.